Alright guys, so today we're doing lift support, hood struts, whatever you want to call them, 05 Grand Cherokee, so 05 to 10 Grand Cherokee, or pretty much any vehicle will be similar. So we're going to do the rear as well, but for right now, we're going to work on these guys. You can see the ends on them. They're just little bands, so that basically you got to pull that off of the ones that are on there, and then they'll pop off, and then you just slam dog these in, and you're good to go.
Alright, new one.
You gotta hold it straight up and down.
Come down a little bit. Alright. There you go, let go.
There you go. Alright guys, so it only took a second, and now the hood stays up by itself. Alright guys, here's the rear, pretty much the same as the front. You just gotta pop the glass open.
A little rusted in there.
Oh.
Clips in. That's it for that one.
Alright guys, so there we are for the glass.
Should I close this good?
Just check them before you yank down on the glass, because they'll be a little stiff.
Stuck.
You don't want to freaking bust your glass up, but there we are. And we'll move on to the gate. Alright guys, so the gates are actually Torx bit in. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that.
Yeah.
You're going to need the right size Torx bit, because they actually screw in. And get a buddy to help you with this, because this gate is heavy. I got my wife recording, and my buddy Wayne is helping me out getting them done. So he's getting a Torx bit ready. We'll be at it in a second. Alright guys, so a T40 Torx bit should get it done. Oh boy.
Okay, you got it, come on.
Yep. We need me to go up.
Oh yeah. Just gonna start it.
These have big washers on too.
Does that have a big washer on it? Alright, great.
Alright guys, there you go. So just go on eBay, Rock Auto, whatever, and get hooked up. And now my wife will be happy because she can go places and make it work by herself.